Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be discussing an introduction to quadratic functions. Now there are two main forms of quadratic functions, standard aka vertex form and general form, mentioned here. Now the general form of a quadratic function is f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and the standard form or the vertex form version is f of x equals a x minus h squared plus k. And here's the two different forms to describe one parabola shown in the graph. Now let's take a closer look at the general form of the quadratic function. A is considered the leading coefficient, basically tells you some sort of idea for the vertical stretch or shrink of the function and the direction of the parabola. Now, if A is a positive number, it opens up like a smiley face, and if A is a negative number, it opens down like a sad face. Now, if it's positive, that vertex will be considered the absolute minimum, and if it's opening downwards, that vertex will be considered the absolute maximum. And here's how you can find the vertex. It's a negative b over 2a for the x-coordinate, and the y-coordinate is just you plugging negative b over 2a for x and then solving for y in the function. And the axis of symmetry is basically the x-coordinate of the vertex, which is x equals negative b over 2a. And to find the solutions or the x-intercepts, it's when f of x equals 0, so you set the quadratic function equal to 0. And remember, x and y-intercepts are written as a coordinate. Now here's a standard form where f of x equals a x minus h squared plus k. And a kind of it's a similar format where it tells you the vertical stretch or shrink and the direction. The vertex is actually h comma k, which is why it's tend to be called vertex form, because it's convenient for finding the vertex. And the axis of symmetry is, again, the x-coordinate of the vertex, which is x equals h. Now there's also a third form called the intercept form, but it's pretty straightforward and easy. And if you have any other questions, please let me know down below. Thank you.